Namaste students, today we are going to do filtration process with the help of filter paper. So here I have a filter paper of a circular shape, and you can say that yes, the diameter of this circle paper is 11 centimeter as obtained in market as filter paper. Now, what is this filter paper? Filter paper are semi-permeable paper which allow liquid to pass through it, and what remains behind is the solid impurities or the unwanted solid which remain behind, and the liquid particles pass through it. Since these are porous paper. Now, how to fold a filter paper? Filter paper can be folded in this way. I have shown you. It can be folded in this way, okay, and then again fold it twice in this manner. Now this will take the shape of a conical, isn't it? Now here I have a folded filter paper. Now when you fold this, you will get such kind of cone inside. When you open one of the fold, you can not opening, but opening from the open, you can see a cone, total a cone shape inside. Okay, either this way or this way. So you can find cone on both sides. Even here you can find one cone, isn't it? This way. Okay, so yes, so let's see how to use it. I will place just perpendicular to a glass. Now let's check it if it works or not. So this is some tea with. So this is how it works. When I have poured the tea over this conical safe filter paper, you can see the water dropping out. Clean water dropping out through this filter paper, and what remains behind is the solid impurities or the unwanted substances. Okay students, so this is how filtration through filter paper is done. Okay, so I guess you are clear with the whole concept. Yes, if you have funnel, then it's very good. If you don't have funnel, be very careful because the paper may dip inside. Since it becomes wet, it gains some mass and thereby it may dip inside. So yes, it also works as a cheever. Okay, so yes, this is how filtration process takes place. But if the impurities are very small, and if the impurities get totally dissolved in water, unlike this one, then the filtration process may not work for the separation of substances. Only in case if the impurities are bigger enough and insoluble to the liquid, then you can separate by the process of filtration. Thank you students for watching it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.